Lloyds Bank's arranged overdraft acts as a short-term credit line on your current account, letting you spend up to your limit when your balance hits zero. Unarranged overdrafts beyond limit incur no fees, but interest applies 0% on Club Lloyds up to $3,000. Otherwise, 39.9% EER variable. Always check eligibility via app. 1. Apply or activate overdraft. Log in to Lloyds mobile banking app or internet banking. Accounts. Select current account. Manage. Overdraft. Request increase up to $3,000 for most. Students up to $1,500 interest-free initially. Submit. Instant decision via open banking. No credit impact. If approved, it's active immediately. No separate card needed. 2. Use the overdraft. Spend normally, debit card, app transfers, bill payments, or ATM withdrawals. Funds draw automatically when balance is more than $0. For example, pay bills directly. Monitor. App shows available balance, includes overdraft, deposits, salary, or transfers. Reduce it instantly. No set date, but aim to clear monthly to avoid interest. Set alerts in app for low balance.